This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon.
I waited for my intermediate to get completed and then I joined a training with a large company called Solidaire, where the stipend those days used to be only 600 rupees. 600 per month, that's okay. But that's where the whole journey started for me from a work perspective. So from there on, no looking back. After that, I don't think I've taken a break at all in my life. It has been one company after the other. So the journey continued after that. So training is a very important thing. Salary is not the question because you get a stipend. The journey starts from your training days and then it moves into the employment part and all that.
Yes, sir. So, can you share your initial days in corporate world? Like, how was it? What were the challenges you faced? Because I know it's quite some time ago, but if you could share that, that will be great.
Alok, I'll tell you whether it was 1989 when I started or whether it is 2001, sorry, 2021. Nothing has changed. Because today, as a practicing company secretary, Abhi would know that I have trained almost close to 150 people
Correct.
in the
Yes.
last 18 years. So, training wise, things have not changed. At least our firm doesn't believe in that because we are tough on trainees. Okay. So, my days, it was very tough because you need to work. It is not easy. It's not a 9 to 5 job, whether it was a trainee also. My boss was a triple. We used to call triple in Chennai, which is a CA, a CS, a CWA.
Mm.
He used to come like a policeman on rounds at 6:30 in the evening to check whether you are still sitting in the office. And this is not because he expected you to sit. That's where the learning is. In fact, I'll share one secret with you. We were two trainees at that point of time. My colleague who was there with me used to pack his bags and go at 6 sharp. But whereas I used to go to my senior, the company secretary, and they used to say, "Okay, is there anything else that I can do?" And trust me, from 6 to 8, he put me in finance department. He said, "Go help people in finance department," because finance department used to sit till 9 o'clock in the night. So, from a training perspective, from a student perspective, it is that limited time of 15 months or 2 years that you get. I think you should use it to the maximum. If you are looking at packing your bags and leaving early, I think you are missing out a lot. And to that lovely student community, I want to tell work is never given, work is always taken. You
True.
have to go and ask your senior or the boss or whoever is running what more can I do? Where is more work? And that is when that lovely 2 years you get to learn lot of things in corporate. And when you're doing this, you should also understand that you're preparing for your final. See, the
Exactly.
work that you're going to put in the office is actually going to be useful when you're going to write your final.
Correct.
So why are you hesitating to go and ask for more work? That's what is my takeaway, which I did. And God's grace, I mean, I've been successful in whatever I've done. So I have done that journey, and I'm very happy to
Yeah.
share it with our students.